Now this is very interesting thing that I'm going to teach you how to cut your risk. Of course, trailing stop loss is good, but even without the trailing stop loss, if you want to cut your risk, it's quite easy. See this chart. Market coming down gave us an entry to enter at the resistance because the double top was formed, and we entered into this trade keeping our stop loss somewhere near, we must have seen here some price action, and we kept our stop loss here. So once the price action showed us that this is the entry point, and this is the stop loss. Right now the stop loss area is 0.03%, as I can see and you can see, right? What we have to do to cut our risk is, as soon as the market covers and makes the first support, this is a short trade, so as soon as the market finds the first support, let us suppose market came down till here and now it's making a movement like this, right? What we will do is we will close 50% of our entry as soon as the market come here. What is this area? This is 1 and this is also 1. As soon as the market gives us 1:1, we will always close 50% of our trade size. This is how we cut the loss, cut the risk of a trade. All this area, if the market is going down and giving us the profit, only 50% of our trade will run. You get that? So example also, if $100 are here in the risk and the market covered 1:1, what we did is we made $100, correct? And at this place, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out $50 because 50% is what I told you to take out. I took out $50 and the remaining $50 are continuing here, correct? What do you mean by remaining continuing here? It means that if this is 1:1, this is almost 1, 2, 3, 4. The remaining $50 will work for me and give me another $200 in the remaining 4x, correct? Because this area is 4x, this area is 1x, this area is 1x, correct? So a total in this trade, by keeping my risk to the minimum, I will make 200 plus $50, almost a total of $250, correct? Got it?